Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about how this inbound functionality is gonna work in Academy, as well as what is this email integration which we are looking for right now. So Academy is an edtech platform. In this edtech platform, we have integrated a functionality which will be similar to what we have also seen into a lot of CRM tools. The CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Now in this CRM tool, we will be creating leads and all of those leads will be managed at different stages. So as a counselor, if I am logging into Academy, first thing which I'll be looking for will be the emails which I have been waiting so far so that I can read them out. I can figure out which is a potential lead for me, and then I can add that lead to my CRM board. The first or the primary functionality which we are expecting over here to process whole CRM board or to integrate or to make it functional, the CRM board to be functional, we are looking here as the inbound functionality. Inbound is nothing but the email integration of the counselor using the auth services. And once that email has been integrated, all of the emails which the counselor receives on their server will be routed on the Academy platform as well. And from here, the counselor will be fortunate enough to read them and create the lead subsequently. So let's start it. On the Academy, this is the inbounds dashboard, or I can say inbounds home screen. You will have an Academy home screen as well. Second, on the left-hand side menu is this mail icon or a message icon, by the click of which the user is navigated to the inbound section. In the inbound section, this is the typical view of a non-integrated or a non functional inbound of a counselor. He has not integrated his email services yet. So on the left hand side, we can see that we have three popular email service providers named Gmail, Office 360, and Yahoo Mail. So if user clicks on any of this email service provider, he should be routed directly to that email service provider authentication screen where he should be able to select his email ID which he wishes to integrate. Once he has selected that email ID, after that he should be able to enter a correct password and integrate the email services to Academy platform. Now let me just show you a thorough workaround on how this email integration will help the counselor. So this is just some steps. But once the email has been integrated, this is how the email will look like. Here you can see that there is the emails which the user has received with their email ID specified on the left column, followed by the course name. So this course name is basically when we create a lead, we assign a course to them. This will come from there. Status, again, every lead which has been created using the email services, that lead is associated with a particular status somewhere. And then date and time. This date and time is particularly for when the email was received, not on their server, but when the email was received right over here on the Academy platform. So here you can see that this is the user or the user's email which has not been opened yet or unread. That is in bold black letter, and the one which has been read is in non-bold black letters. This is just to imply that, okay, you have not opened the email yet, so that user can distinguish between the open mail and the unopened mail. Moving forward, this is the filter system which user can access by clicking over here. Here you can see that once the user clicks on the filter, user will be able to see the status on which he can filter it out. For example, pending new inquiry, contacted, demo, negotiation, converted. As well as you can see the course where you all the courses which has been listed or associated with the institute of which the counselor is representing, those courses will be defined over here into a list menu. Then you can see the date range. The date range is basically to filter the mails out on the basis of from when to when you want to see the mails from. If none of these filters are applied, the corresponding screen will show each and every emails which is there on the server. Pardon. Moving ahead, this is a settings screen. Let me show you how you can access this. So if you see top right corner, second option, this is the setting icon over here. By clicking on this, user will be navigated to the settings screen. On the settings screen, user is not getting any typical settings to edit the email informations or any such thing, but only to remove the email which has been integrated to Academy. And after removing this, the all the emails which has been integrated or all of the emails which is present on the dashboard right now will not be there to be seen. Now, once I click on remove, the user will get a warning. Are you sure you want to remove this channel? All the existing mails related to this channel will be removed. And if user clicks on remove after that as well, the token, the authentication token will be expired. And after that, this email integration will be disrupted and user will be routed back to the same screen which we saw in the beginning where there was no email integration as such. So this is how we are making this functionality work.